Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Learning Python programming, especially in the context of artificial intelligence, AI, can be an exciting journey. This tutorial will guide you through some fundamental concepts and provide practical examples to help you get started quickly and effectively. Step 1. Setting up your environment. Before diving into Python and AI, ensure you have a suitable environment set up. You can use 1. Anaconda, a distribution that comes with Python and many libraries pre-installed. 2. Jupyter Notebook, an interactive notebook that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code. To install Anaconda, visit Anaconda's official website, https://www.anaconda.com/products/distribution download-section, and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Step 2. Basic Python syntax. Before jumping into AI, it's essential to understand basic Python syntax. Here's a quick overview. Variables, storing data. Data types. Common data types include integers, floats, strings, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Control structures, conditional statements and loops. Step 3. Install required libraries for AI. To work on AI projects, you'll need to install a few libraries. The most commonly used libraries include NumPy, for numerical computations. Pandas, for data manipulation and analysis. Matplotlib/Seaborn, for data visualization. Scikit-learn, for machine learning. TensorFlow/PyTorch, for deep learning. You can install these libraries using pip. Open your terminal and run. Step 4. Basic AI concepts. Before coding, familiarize yourself with some basic AI concepts. Machine learning, a subset of AI that uses statistical techniques to enable machines to improve at tasks with experience. Supervised learning, training a model on labeled data. Unsupervised learning, finding patterns in unlabeled data. Step 5. Simple AI example with scikit-learn. Let's implement a simple machine learning model using scikit-learn. We'll create a model that predicts whether a flower is an iris setacea, iris versicolor, or iris virginica based on its features. 1. Import libraries. 2. Load dataset. 3. Split the dataset. 4. Create and train the model. 5. Make predictions. 6. Evaluate the model. Step 6. Explore further. Once you've built a simple model, consider exploring more complex projects. 1. Deep learning, explore neural networks using TensorFlow or PyTorch. 2. Natural language processing, NLP, work with text data using libraries like NLTK or Spacy. 3. Computer vision, use libraries like OpenCV or Keras for image processing tasks. Step 7. Resources for continued learning. Online courses, websites like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer Python and AI courses. Books, Python Crash Course by Eric Mathis, Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow by Aurélien Gérin. Documentation, familiarize yourself with the official documentation of libraries like Pandas, Scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. Conclusion. Learning Python for AI can be straightforward if you take it step by step. Start with the basics of Python, install relevant libraries, and gradually move on to building simple AI models. Practice is key, so make sure to work on projects and challenges to solidify your understanding. Happy coding!